back to Carolina and join the Dixie throng. Come along, come along. I know the folks will all be glad to see me. Just for all lang syne. Here come a train, ding dong, toot toot, farewell. So long, we're going back to Caroline. I'm glad that I'm returning.
For years I have been yearning
to see our home again. I seem to hear the crickets
a chirping in the thicket
way down in Lover's Land. It makes me feel like yelling.
Mark's homemade pies I'm smelling.
Oh, gee, we're just as happy as can be. I'll feel a grand sensation
when I see my home station.
I'm on my way, farewell. I'm going back to Carolina. That's where I belong. I'm going back to Carolina and join the Dixie throng. Come along, I know the folks will all be glad to see me. Just for all lang syne. Here come a train, ding dong, toot toot, farewell. So long, we're going back to Caroline. Come along, I know the folks will all be glad to see me. Just for a lang syne. Here come a train, ding dong, toot toot, farewell. So long, we're going back to Caroline.
Down in Carolina where the sunbeams play, down where all the world seems bright, Pickaninny's romping all the cotton fields of white. How my heart is yearning to be there once more, just to hear the darky song. Carolina sunshine calls me back to the place where I belong. Carolina sun, I'm lonesome. Carolina sun, I'm blue. When the day is done, I'm pining for a sight of you. Makes no difference where I wander, any place I chance to roam. When the golden sun sinks in the west, then I think of home. Carolina sun, I'm lonesome. Carolina sun, I'm blue. When the day is done, I'm pining for a sight of you. Makes no difference where I wander, any place I chance to roam. When the golden sun sinks in